Hi. Like the title says, how to install incremental backup software on Linux Mint. This is a look at the Linux Mint software manager, and when you're going to install DejaDupe backups, and I'll get into why we picked that one in a minute, but that's what it's going to look like, okay? And DejaDupe, and as well as Pika Backup, are in the Google document if you go to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com. I've got both those links there for you to get them. And the guy with the handle of Xenopeak is an admin for the Linux Mint support forums. He's the one that put this together, this bit of information that I'm sharing with you today. And he went on to say, the first backup, it's going to take a while, but if you're in the Google Cloud, just write down the password where you save it in the Google Cloud so you can get back to it. And there's an option there to back up again in 7 days. Now, an incremental backup, when I put that highlight in there, as you can see, is a backup type that only copies the data that's changed or been added to since the previous first-time backup. So you don't have to back up the whole thing every single time. You just back up the new stuff. What's the latest and the greatest, okay? So, as Steve Lee would say, just Google it, and that's how I got the information and the resources I provided up above. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.